welcome back to another tutorial of coding. This tutorial of coding, we are going to be like doing a bit about pen and learning about pen. So I created this project like yesterday. So it looks like we can create tons and tons of stuff. Uh, we can like do a drawing competition with all the pen. But today I'm going to be explaining you guys about pen in Scratch. Then I will do it in Python. This is a whole series of teaching pen, okay? In like it's I will be teaching you in Scratch first, then in Python. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so let's where do you get pen? You might, uh, if you have seen the video about pen health bar, you know where to get pen. I think so. But if you didn't, so there will be a small like this blue thingy. Just click on it, and this will bring you to the extensions. Use an extension. There will be pen. You should click on pen. You can also experience all of these extensions. Okay, so we are going to be focusing on pen today. I'll just put one green flag click and forever. I'll just make the keys move with the keys movement. So then I will just uh, make it move. Then I would do pen down. Make sure you do not put stamp, okay? Stamp. This one, no, do not put it. And if I duplicate this, I will now have a left arrow and this -10. Okay, perfect. So if you see, we are going to be drawing about type of a line, but we do not want a line. So and right now I'm going to tell you pen down means that draw wherever while we are pressing the keys. Look, it's change X bar. That means pen draw while going that way. So let's see if I want to change the color, change pen color. If I do this in both, so it will change the colors. Look, it's now rainbow. Now I will just erase the all, and now I'm going to set the pen size to let's say 5. Now um, let's see now what happens. Now the pen size is much more bigger, and now it looks much more like it. If I change the size to like a 15, or now let's see, it will become much more bigger. It's like a raycast or a snake, you guys can say. But to make it like more like your drawing, so I will duplicate these both. I will duplicate these both. Duplicate. Wait, actually no. This is very hard to do it when you duplicate both. s- that will show you how. You will have to do 2 times more work. Okay? So I will do it up, arrow key, go to motion, gravity change Y by positive. Now I will duplicate it. I wouldn't have to change the Y block. So that's how it's easy. -10. And now I will change up arrow to down. So let's see if it works. We are drawing a type of a maze thing. You can say, and you can also make tons of cool games with this. Like for example, you can create a maze, and if I just click the green flag, I want the cat to go just right here, and green flag click go to here, this position, -180, y -7. Now let's see. We can create mazes, we can create and also painting game where I will do a tutorial on this too. And now on also Raycaster, because Raycaster also uses pen. Not negative. Let's try 50 size. Let's see how big would it be. I think I need to click the green flag, and now, whoa, it's big, it's big, it's big. It's very big. You can like make a challenge of who can draw the best diagrams or so. So I will be looking at your games if you create them. Just send me the link in the comments. And so this was only that I wanted to tell you today. So I hope you like this video. I hope you I hope this video is useful. So like this video, subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.